Welcome to this quick tutorial. This video covers customer table reservations, staff book table for their customer, and how to enable reservation settings. First, let's see how customers reserve a table. Open the store link and click Order Now. Select your city and outlet, then choose Table Reservation. Fill in your details and continue. Your reservation will show as pending. Once the staff accepts it, your table is confirmed. Now, let's accept the customer's reservation. Go to the table reservation and accept the request. Once approved, the table is confirmed. Now, here's how restaurant staff can reserve or enable reservation settings. Go to the table reservation section and click on Table Reservation. Here, you can update the settings based on your requirements. Once the settings are configured, enter the customer's details and confirm the reservation. The table reservation is now confirmed. Thank you for watching.